I just made a cinnamon roll focaccia and it was unreal. This was so good, guys. You have to try it. We're starting off with 2 cups of warm water, 2 teaspoons of active yeast and 2 teaspoons of white sugar. Give that a good mix and then cover it to let the yeast activate. Leave it for about 10 minutes. Then add 4 cups of high-grade flour or bread flour and 2 teaspoons of salt. Give that a good mix until it's all combined. It might look a little dry, but it will soon hydrate up and get sticky. Drizzle it with a bit of olive oil, cover it with some Glad wrap to rise for about an hour. Then you're going to wet your hands and stretch and fold it just like how I'm doing in this video. And then when you're done, just cover it to rise again. Now for the cinnamon sugar, I'm using a block of butter. It's equivalent to 2 sticks of butter or 225 grams of butter. Once that's melted, I'm adding 200 grams of brown sugar, 3 tablespoons of cinnamon, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm giving that a good mix till it's all combined and thickened up a little bit. Then I'm just going to oil my pan and line it with baking paper and then oil the baking paper as well. The dough would have risen for about another hour by this time as well, so I'm just going to add that to the pan. And then I'm adding like 80% of that mixture and spreading it around on the dough. And then I'm going to fold it on top of itself like we did before. And then I'm going to cover it to let it rise for about half an hour just so it fills out the pan a bit more. Then you're going to dimple the bread, look at all those air bubbles. Then I'm just drizzling the remainder of that mixture on top. And then it's going in the oven at 200 degrees or 392 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or just till it's golden brown. And then when I take it out the oven, I pop it on a cooling rack. It was also really nice and caramelized on the bottom. And then for the icing, I'm adding a cup of icing sugar, a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Don't do what I just did, but that was about like 2 tablespoons of milk, which ended up being the perfect amount, but you can add less or more, just depends how you like the consistency. And then once it's cooled down a little bit, I'm just drizzling that icing on top. And there you have it, folks. You just made cinnamon roll focaccia. This was insanely good. Let me know if you guys try this, and thanks for watching.